White caps may look nice on a mountaintop, but not so much on your house. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. When we return, we'll talk about disguising unsightly pipes on your roof right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
Those pipes you see on your roof serve an important purpose. Some are plumbing vents, others serve as vents for appliances, but they stick out like a sore thumb, don't they? These pipes can be easily painted to blend in with your roof color. The easiest way is to use a good quality spray paint. For plastic pipes, a light sanding followed by an appropriate color paint will do the trick. But if you're trying to paint galvanized metal, you'll need to take a rag saturated in white vinegar and rub the metal down first. The acid in the vinegar reacts with the galvanized metal, etching it so the spray paint will stick to it. Just be sure to pick a day with little or no wind and cover the surrounding area so no overspray gets on your roof. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.